Welcome back to the Step-by-Step English podcast.
Hello everyone and welcome to another great lesson.
I am your co-host Alex, and sitting across from me is the English expert Emma.
Thank you for the lovely introduction, Alex. Today we are doing something very special and going back in time. We are going to look at the American third grade English curriculum.
Hold on a second. Third grade. Are you saying we are going to learn baby English today?
It is definitely not baby English. Third grade is when students are about 8 years old. This is a crucial time because they stop learning to read and start reading to learn.
Reading to learn. That sounds like something a wise old wizard would say.
It simply means the texts get much harder and the vocabulary gets much bigger. Many adult English learners actually struggle with the exact topics third graders learn.
Well then, I am ready to be an 8-year-old again. Do I get a juice box and a nap after this?
You only get a nap if you pay attention to the first topic. Our first topic is decoding multi-syllable words.
Multi-what? That word is way too long for me already.
Multi-syllable simply means a word that has many parts or sounds. When native speakers see a massive new word, they do not panic. They decode it by breaking it down into smaller chunks.
Chunking. I love chunking. I do that with my chocolate chip cookies.
It is very similar to eating a cookie one bite at a time. Let us look at a huge word like unbelievable. If you try to read it all at once, your brain might freeze.
Unbelievable. Wait, I did it. I am a genius.
You are a genius, but let us break it down for the listeners. The prefix is un. The base word is believe. The suffix is able.
Unbelievable. Oh wow, that makes it so much easier to understand.
Exactly. If you know un means not and able means you can do it. You know, unbelievable means something you cannot believe.
Give me a harder one. Give me the biggest word an 8-year-old knows.
How about the word hippopotamus?
Hippopot-a-moose. No, wait. Hippopot-a-mus.
Perfect. You clap your hands for each chunk. Hippopot-a-mus.
I am clapping my hands right now, and it works.
This decoding trick helps you read faster and speak clearer. Now let us move to the second big topic for third graders. Using context clues.
Context clues. Like a detective looking for fingerprints.
Yes, you are an English detective now. Sometimes you read a sentence and there is a word you do not know. Instead of running to the dictionary, you use the other words around it to guess the meaning.
Can we play a game with this? Give me a fake word and let me guess what it means.
I love that idea. Here is your sentence. Alex was so zargled that he ate 5 entire pizzas by himself.
Zargled. Well, if I ate 5 pizzas, I must be super hungry. Does zargled mean hungry?
Yes, it does. The real English word I was thinking of is famished. You used the context of eating 5 pizzas to decode the meaning.
I am famished right now, just thinking about pizza.
Let us try one more. The weather was incredibly blistering, so we had to stay inside and drink ice water all day.
Blistering. If I am drinking ice water and staying inside, it must be hot. Really, really hot.
Spot on. Blistering means extremely hot. You are mastering third-grade English very quickly.
I told you I am a genius. Bring on the next topic, Teacher Emma.
The next topic is identifying the theme of a story. The theme is the big hidden message or the moral of the story. It is not what the story is about, but what the story teaches you.
Like do not eat yellow snow.
Well, that is good advice, but maybe not a literary theme. Let us take the famous story of the tortoise and the hare. The rabbit runs fast and takes a nap, but the slow turtle wins the race.
I know this one. The theme is rabbits are lazy.
Not quite. The theme is that slow and steady wins the race. It teaches us that consistency is more important than rushing.
Oh, I get it. The theme is the life lesson. That is deep for an 8-year-old.
Third graders are very smart. Now we are moving to my absolute favorite topic. Distinguishing between literal and non-literal language.
Literal and non-literal. You are throwing too many big words at me, Emma.
Do not worry. Literal means exactly what the words say. Non-literal means there is a hidden or different meaning. We usually call these idioms or metaphors.
Oh, idioms. Like when it is raining cats and dogs.
Exactly. If that was literal, we would have animals falling from the sky. Because it is non-literal, it just means it is raining heavily.
What is another good idiom third graders learn?
A very common one is piece of cake. If I say the English test was a piece of cake, what do I mean?
You mean the teacher handed out chocolate cake during the exam? Because if so, I want to go to that school.
No cake for you, Alex. Piece of cake means something is very easy to do.
Okay, hit me with another one. I want to sound like a true native speaker.
How about spill the beans? Imagine you have a secret surprise party planned for me. I might tell you to spill the beans.
I would never spill real beans. That is a waste of good food. But it means to tell a secret, right?
Yes, it means to reveal secret information. Understanding non-literal language is huge for becoming fluent.
My brain is getting so full. Are there any other secrets in the third grade curriculum?
There is one more very fun thing that many states still teach. Cursive writing.
Cursive. You mean the fancy connected letters that doctors use. I can never read doctors' handwriting.
Yes, cursive is when all the letters in a word are connected together. It helps you write faster and develops fine motor skills. Though nowadays many people just type on keyboards.
I type as fast as lighting. Wait, is that an idiom too?
Fast as lightning is a simile, which is another type of non-literal language. You are a natural at this, Alex. Are you ready to put all of this into practice?
Put it into practice. Are we doing a role play? I love role plays.
Yes, we are doing our 10-turn role play right now. We are going to pretend we are planning a huge podcast event. We must use our multi-syllable words and our non-literal language. I will start. Alex, I'm looking at the schedule for our live show, and the amount of work is unbelievable.
Do not worry, Emma. This event is going to be a piece of cake. We just need to decode our tasks one by one.
I hope you are right, because looking at this massive list of guests makes me feel completely overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. I chunked that word. Do not let it bother you, because we are going to knock this out of the park.
Knock it out of the park is a great baseball idiom meaning to do a great job. But did you remember to invite the special guest speaker?
Oh no. I totally forgot, and now I'm incredibly famished from all this stress.
You cannot be famished from stress, Alex. But please tell me you did not ruin the surprise for the audience.
I promise I did not spill the beans to anyone. My lips are zipped tighter than a winter jacket.
Zipped lips means keeping a secret, which is excellent context. However, I received a handwritten letter in cursive, and I cannot read a single word of it.
Hand it over to me. I am a cursive detective. It says the special guest is running late because of blistering heat.
Blistering heat means it is too hot to travel. Well, we need to find a new theme for the show tonight to keep the audience entertained.
How about the theme is slow and steady wins the race? We can just talk very slowly for 2 hours.
I do not think the listeners would appreciate a 2-hour slow-motion podcast, Alex. We need to hit the books and research some better ideas right now.
Hit the books. That means to study hard. Okay, let me grab my giant dictionary and start chunking some new vocabulary.
That brings us to the end of our roleplay and our third grade review. You survived, Alex.
I did it. I'm officially smarter than an 8-year-old. Barely.
You did a fantastic job, and I hope our listeners learned a lot too. Remember to break big words down into chunks. Use context clues when you're stuck. And do not take idioms literally.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please leave us a comment and do not spill the beans about my fake cursive reading skills. See you next time, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep practicing your English step by step.